I love rethinking about how we can use items in our regular household to make our studio space a little bit more functional. This really cool work surface mat for your desktop and computer actually doubles as the perfect waterproof surface for your studio space. If you're tight on space, it rolls up into a little tube. It's super easy to clean and it's scratch and wear resistant, which is great in the studio. It's a non-slip desk pad and it's made out of vegan leather. It measures 31.5 by 15.7 inches and it comes in a bunch of different colors. I chose the dark pink, but for my studio space, I seriously was considering either the blue or the pale green as well. Go check it out. It's on sale right now for $16 instead of $20.78. You can grab this product now. The link is in the description box below. Thanks for watching, everybody. And if you haven't already subscribed, please do so. It would mean so much to me and my channel. See you the next time.